Hi guys, how are you all today morning? Good morning. Today we will talk about another verse of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. In this verse, God tells Arjuna that the other three among the four who come to him, that is, the one who is distressed, one who is a seeker of knowledge, and one who is a seeker of wealth, are people who want shortcuts in life, and so they worship the demigods who provide the required solace or help to these people. As for example, the people who are distressed according to their misery or tragedy or something, they go to demigods like sun god, moon god, Shani god, or some other demigod like Indra to help them out of their misery. Those who are seekers of knowledge go and worship goddess Saraswati, the wife of none other than one of the triumvirates, that is Brahma. Those who are seekers of wealth seek the help or the blessings of none other than goddess Lakshmi, who is a consort of Vishnu. Lord Krishna tells Arjuna that all these demigods are actually glorified servants of God Himself, and that when somebody asks them some help, it is God Himself who provides the required facilities or resources to these demigods to satisfy their individual devotees. To say it in short, it is God alone who provides everything, either directly or through these demigods who are representing gods in front of the devotees who, instead of worshipping Supreme Personality of Godhead, worship these demigods alone because they have, that is, the devotees have their own short-term, short-sighted personal access to grind. Now, to tell you to summarize this, me tell you, there is one Supreme Personality who has various glorified servants called demigods. There are living entities who worship individual demigods for their individual material needs. It is God alone who provides the energy and the resources to these demigods to satisfy their respective devotees. But the devotees are under the wrong impression that the demigods are giving them on their own. No, that is why God says, I like the wise man who understands this and comes to me directly as a devotee and tells me that everything is nothing but Vasudeva, and hence there is no point in having desires which are material, and the ultimate aim is to seek self realization, deliverance, liberation, and to ultimately go back to Godhead. That is all for the present. Kindly let me know what you think about my comments on these verses. If you like my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. In case of my other new videos, I'll be able to inform you about them if you press these bell icons. Kindly pardon me for all my errors, my appearance, my uncouth appearance, my diction, my spelling, my grammar, etc. because at present I am only trying to convey my thoughts about spiritualism and hence I am not able to concentrate on these frivolous things. That is all for the present. We shall talk about something else in spiritualism and Bhagavad Gita in my next video. Till then, it is thanks.